Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back again to another video. In this video we're going to be making butter beans. Now these are dry butter beans that I boiled for 30 minutes with baking soda, and I just let it sit in the hot water for an extra 2 hours and it became, cooked. But we're still going to need to cook it more. Anyway, this is one pack, about a kilogram of butter beans, and we also have about 100 grams of chopped coriander fresh, and I have about a head of garlic which I beat with half a teaspoon of salt, about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I have about 1 kilogram of chopped meat, and you want your meat to be about this size. Here I have 1 chicken bouillon cube, a half a teaspoon of salt, and some 7 mixed spices, and last but not least I have 2 large tablespoons of tomato paste. So let's get started and put our meal together, guys. So I've gone ahead and heated up the pot, and right now you're going to go ahead and add in your vegetable oil. Let that heat up a little bit, and you need to add in your garlic. You want to stir that a little bit and let it cook until it turns slightly green in color before we add in our chopped coriander. Now is when you need to go ahead and add in your coriander. And you just want to stir this quickly so that it does not burn. So I'm going to let this fry about a minute, and I'm going to continue stirring so that we don't burn the garlic or the coriander. It's about time to go ahead and add in your meat. And you want to fry this along with the coriander and garlic until you brown the meat completely. So I'll see you when that is done, guys. I'm also going to be adding in my spices, and I'll let that fry together with the meat. And this bouillon cube is going to, break down. So I'm just going to give it a little toss, and I'm going to cover it and let the meat cook on all sides. So I cover the meat, and it has been cooking on high heat for about 5 minutes now, and I'm going to let it continue to do so until I dry out all of the liquid and actually fry the meat to get it brown and cooked completely, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do after that. Okay guys, so as you can see, the meat is actually frying now, and it's beginning to make those crackling noises at the bottom, and this is when you want to go ahead and add in your tomato paste. So I've added that in there, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. You want to let this fry for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get the sour taste out of your tomato paste. And once that does, we're going to be adding in our water. So I have about 10 cups of water on the side, which I am about to go ahead and add into this once the tomato paste has fried a little bit. So I'll see you before I do that, guys. Okay guys, so it's been frying for about a minute or two, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my water. We've added a lot of water because we need to cook the butter beans. It's not completely done, so it's going to take some time. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our butter beans, and we're going to lower our heat and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes or until it's completely done. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'll see you in a sec. I've added in the butter beans, and I'm just going to give this a quick toss, and I'm going to lower the heat and let it cook until the beans are completely done. So I'll see you when it's done, guys. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes, and the butter beans are completely done, and they've actually started to mash up in the pot. So you just want to take out one of them, and you want to use a fork to see if it's done completely on the inside. So there you go. We've completed the butter beans, and you can serve this with Lebanese rice or any rice of your choice. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description on how to make Lebanese rice so you can go ahead and try it at home. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and stay awesome until next time.